Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's discuss part C. Please refer previous videos for part B and part A. Let's move to first question. See, this is a diagram based question. Echo R1 and DNA leakage. What is the duty of these two guys? Echo R1 and DNA leakage will be helping in recombinant DNA technology in different functions. And we have to draw the schematic diagram which describe this function of these two enzymes. EcoR1 is actually responsible for cutting the DNA in a particular palindromic sequence, that is GAATTC. So here the vector DNA is there, foreign DNA is there, restriction enzyme will cut over here and the sticky ends will be formed. Who will glue it? That is DNA ligase. That gluing will happen by DNA ligase, and this is glued, and by drawing these three steps you will get 3 marks. Please learn this diagram properly. Any type of question can come to draw this particular diagram. Here one important question, that is study of pedigree chapter, and the questions usually it will be same. The first A part will be finding out whether it is dominant or recessive, and B part will be autosomal recessive or sex linked. Then finding out any two children's genotype. That will be the third question. Here, let's see whether it is dominant or recessive. See, here there is a person and the parents are unaffected. Here there is a person and parents are unaffected. If there is skipping of generation or the unaffected parents will have a affected child, then definitely it will be recessive, right? So the parents will be having that hidden character of that particular thing, that is recessiveness, that shows recessiveness. So you have to write it. Since there is skipping of generation, then definitely it will be definitely recessive disease. Is this trait autosomal or sex linked? Give reason in support. Autosomal or sex linked, to find out it, you have to observe it whether the male and female is in one generation, it is getting equally, or male is more getting affected, then it will go for sex linked. Since there is both autosomal as well as sex linked, this is actually here it will be autosomal because both are getting affected here over here. More than one particular sex is not getting affected. And you have to find out the phenotype of this guy, 1 in generation 2 and 3. So let's find out for 3. Here there is a person. This 2 will be definitely having what? What is the genotype of this one? A. Yes, AA will be there. So AA to come, definitely one A will be coming from this guy and A will be coming from the other parent. So this will be definitely heterozygous. Capital A will come. Small a will come. Because if it is both small a, 3 will be an affected person now. So to tell it as capital A, small a will come. So the finding out the genotype of this is easy. So there is one person in that way. Here, what will be the genotype of this one? It can be both. It can be, this is an unaffected person, right? So definitely it can be AA can come for them, or what? Other than that, anything else? Yeah, there is a chance of getting the other one. That is capital A, small a. Is it possible? How it comes? There is a chance of hidden character. See, hidden character is there as capital A, small a, in the sense this A, the first A and the other A can come for this guy. They didn't show other children. They didn't show or they didn't have, or they didn't show other children, means there can be a person who gets the disease, but there is a chance of getting a undiseased person like this. So it can be capital A or capital A small a. See the answer as I have described. And what is actually the stem cells, from where we can get it, and two applications of stem cell. This is an easy question. You don't have to think more, you just have to understand and give the answer. These are the cells which have the ability to produce any kind of cell. They are like a person who can transform into anyone. And we will get it from blastocyst. Blastocyst, I hope you remember what is blastocyst. And from not from the trophoblast or the outer lining, it from the inner cell mass, and or the umbilical cord, or from the bone marrow. Here in these three places, stem cells are existing, and we can collect it from these places. And we have to tell any two application. I have listed a lot of applications over here, and you can try anything. You can tell that diabetes can be treated, or restoration of vision can be possible, treatment of rheumatoid arthritis, pancreatic cancer, cystic fibrosis, spinal cord injuries, even heart disease. To remember it easily, at least write diabetes treatment and heart diseases, treating the heart diseases. These two is enough. Differentiate between malignant and benign tumor. See, tumors are there, malignant and benign. The malignant is one which is not that very easily we can take about it, because it spreads. The cells will be growing rapidly and damage the surrounding normal tissue. It will be spreading from one place to another. That is malignant. What is benign? Benign is actually, it will be present in one particular region, and the slow growth. It has a very slow growth compared to malignant. And what is the term, or what is the property of this malignant one which will make us most feared? That is metastasis. This metastasis is the spreading. It will be spreading from one place to another. That is the issue of malignant tumor, and that is the most fearful property about the cancer. See, this is regarding microbes in human welfare. Wastewater treatment and sewage treatment happens. There are some terms given there, some kind of digesters and sludge explained about it with reference to treatment process. Primary sludge is that we get it once all the solids are settled down. When the primary treatment is happening, all the solids are settling down, and that primary treatment we will get the primary sludge. And this thing will be, then we will move to activated sludge. So in activated sludge, this is actually produced during secondary treatment or biological treatment, we call it as. And this primary effluent plus aerobic microbes, the primary effluent we are getting from primary treatment, we will put some aerobic, or the one who uses oxygen, that is aerobic, bacteria and fungus in it, to sediment. So they will convert whatever present in this primary effluent, and the BOD, or biological oxygen demand will be it will be going down. Okay, a lot of waste is there, or a lot of organic matter is there, and a lot of oxygen will be used. So biological oxygen demand will be reduced. Then comes anaerobic sludge digesters. These are the larger tanks in which activated sludge, this tank, will be put with the anaerobic bacteria. Here we were using aerobic one, and here it is anaerobic one. And this bacteria and fungi, and they will produce biogas. So in which one? In anaerobic sludge digester, actually biogas is getting produced. Here comes primate ancestors. Name two primate ancestors of the present day humans who existed approximately 15 million years ago. They are Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus. See, Dryopithecus, Ramapithecus. Regarding this question, I have uploaded some shorts with the help of some AI. Please watch it. It will help you to remember the things very easily than learning some simple slides and all. According to geological records, the B question is, according to the geological records, when and where did Australopithecus live? The time period. See, the brain capacity, time period, whatever is there as the characteristic feature of these guys in textbook, you have to learn it properly. Usually they ask very easy questions regarding it. They don't expect much more difference or things other than the textbook content. So learn it properly. The answer is 2 million years ago, placed is East African grassland. Give two differences between Homo habilis and Homo erectus. These are the difference. They ate meat, they didn't eat meat, and the brain capacity is this. It's up to 800. This is brain capacity. At a little more, it has increased. That is 900 cc. So thank you for watching. We have completed part C. Let's move to part D and E soon. Stay tuned for watching. Give a thumbs up.